Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix this AMD graphics driver issue. Go to the search button and select device manager or search it up. If it's not there, go to display adapters and right click on your device. Then you're going to select update driver, and then you're going to select the search automatically for drivers, and as you can see, it's been installed already. If that doesn't show up, go to browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list and then select the second one and then press next. If that still does not work for you, right click and select properties, go to driver and roll back driver if that option is there, so that it will roll back to the previously installed driver. And if that still doesn't work, you just need to update your Windows. So go to Windows update settings, check for updates, and yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have something that needs updating, just do that and restart your PC, and hopefully after that everything will be fine. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.